Hi, my name is Natalia Vasquez, and this is my self concept PowerPoint. I am shy. I've been shy my whole life. Honestly, I'm not the type to start up a conversation, but if you were to talk to me, I would continue the conversation with you. I feel like I do horrible presenting in front of people, and a few examples of that is my throat feeling like it's filling up and I can't speak, or I'm too quiet and having everyone look at me, just waiting for me to speak. But this is something that I feel like I'm better at doing because it's a video. People don't have to watch this, or, I don't have to see their live reaction of watching to this. I am helpful. I enjoy helping others. I also did something for school, which was volunteering at an elementary school and helping out with their after school program. And that, was mainly based around helping people, and something that I really enjoyed. It's not only helping the kids, but you're also helping the adults there too. And yeah, I helped it with schoolwork. I helped keeping it clean. I helped supervising them, and it was fun. I am thoughtful. I think about other people's point of views before I speak on things. And when I do something, I always include everyone, and I always think about everyone first. I am cheap. I love shopping clearance because it saves money, and if I feel like if you can get something for a lower price than if at the full price, then why not just save your money? I'm a stingy person, and I only spend my money when I really have to. And I feel like if you don't need to spend it, then just keep it. I am lazy. When it comes to doing things, sometimes wait until last minute to do it, and I feel like everyone else does that. I feel like others do that as well. I just dread doing things sometimes, especially when you don't know what's gonna happen. I am careful. I never do anything without thinking. I always try to plan everything I do, so I know what I'm getting into, and I know that at the end of it, nothing bad will come out of it. And I always think about what can go wrong in any situation that I'm getting myself into. I am smart. Before, I felt like school wasn't for me. Like I wasn't trying, but then, finally got it in me. If you try, things will get better for you. And I started trying, and I started seeing an improvement in my grades. And, this was in high school, but I kept my grades good, the past semester for college as well. And it might not seem like it, but I do enjoy getting an education and learning about new topics. I just wish it wasn't, on a screen. I am a foodie. I enjoy eating and making food. I love watching cooking videos and trying to recreate them. And I recently started eating sushi, and I like it, but I was scared to try it because I felt like I would get sick. So I never tried it, but one day I just went out and bought it, and it's actually really good. But the wasabi is a no-go. I am brave. As I've grown up, I have learned to stand up for myself, and I think that's something that was really hard for me. But I finally got the guts to do it, and I feel like it's might be hard for other people to do as well. I've learned how to tell right from wrong and to get help when I need it, and I fight for change and a better circumstance. I am a sibling. I'm the oldest out of 4 children in the house, and sometimes it feels like I'm the only parent or even the third parent, and I feel it's hard to watch out for your siblings and yourself because there's just so much going on, especially when it's been like that for so long. Lastly, I'm afraid of being let down. I'm afraid of not having anyone by my side. I'm afraid of being alone and having nobody to go to when I need to talk to someone, and I'm afraid of being left by myself. I can only go so long by myself before I start to worry about other people. Like, say if your friend was supposed to text you, like, when they get home, I would start worrying about if they don't, text within an hour. But thank you for watching my video, and that's the end.